I got our engine in today. We ordered a short block, so now I'm going to do the unboxing. All the way from Dubai. Okay, this is it. All nice and pretty. It's all oiled up and everything. That looks beautiful. Very nice. Of course, the oil pump is already on here, which is good. One last thing I need to do. Looks like it's all refinished and everything. So nice. I'm so excited to get this back in the car. Pistons look like they've been reworked. So this will sit here for about a day till we can get the rest of everything that's out of the car. Take all the garbage out. Looks like we've got a lot done yesterday. I haven't had time to work on it today, but got some stuff to take out over here. Some bolts I need to remove in the back behind the AC compressor. Now I'm not going to actually discharge. I think that's the right word to say, the AC lines. What I'm going to end up doing is just unbolting and unmounting the AC compressor and just putting it up in the back. Just keeping all the lines over there so I don't have to recharge the system when I'm done. But we'll get this off, the serpentine belt here. You can see where the hole is at that busted through. And that looks like a piston rod, but we'll look at it closer. We'll look at it closer once everything's out. Oh, look at that back there. Is this part of the engine? It sure is. It didn't even go far once it busted out. It is the piece, probably connects right here actually, and it has the EJ25 stamp. Let's see what this looks like. Looks like that, maybe that piece right there. Well, what's done is done. You can't change the past. All we can do is fix it for the future. Well, I think that's going to be it for today. I might try to take a couple more of these bolts out. But until then, we'll see you tomorrow.